Mom! Look at me, Mom! Is that annoying? What are you reading?
That's Mommy's, dear.
Oh, you need a new hairstyle.
That's it. Stop!
I know! This is fun!
No, it's not. I have something for you. This will solve everything. I'll push it into the ground. Then I'll fill it with sand. Next, I'll add water. This can go in the other side. Then I'll lift it up. Take a look at this. Pretty cool, huh?
Wow! This is amazing! I'll give it a try. I'm gonna draw something. You'll love it, Mom. I'm having the best time. Look, Mommy. I'm a sand artist. Eat up, kitty.
I'm bored. Wait a second. I've got an idea.
I can't put this book down.
Ready?
Doing.
But I'll do it again.
Are you kidding me? That's it.
Ugh. Busted. Oh, a vase. I'll hit that instead. Pow!
Brian, what have you done? Look at my vase. You're in big trouble.
It wasn't me.
Give me that.
Not fair.
Now I feel bad. Maybe there's something I can do. I've got it. I'll open up the pizza box. Then I'll need green card. I'll lay the card inside the box. Then I'll stick it into position. I'll make sure it's nice and smooth. Now I need white card. I need to make lines. This is going well. Next, I need my glue gun. I'll add 2 blobs here. Then I'll stick a straw to them. These will be my soccer goals. I think it's ready. Wanna play, Brian?
Is that what I think it is? Let's do this.
You'll need this.
This is exciting.
It's time for the big match. Here goes.
Whoa! I love this! I need a win!
Is that the best you've got? I'm gonna score a goal. And he shoots, and he scores!
Let's play again.
Aw, look at them.
Look what I've got, Brian. It changes size.
Meh, this car is
Hey?
What are you doing down there?
sorry, Mom.
Wait a second. Look at your laces.
Is that a problem?
You'll need to tie them.
You can count on me. This shouldn't be too hard. Hey, I'm a natural. Annie's laces are loose, too.
All the noise.
It's all Brian's fault. He did it!
What? No, she's lying.
Oh, are you okay, sweetie? I know how to fix this. Put these on your shoes.
If you say so. I'll need to get rid of these laces. I'll put the new ones through the holes. Wow, they're so colorful. Now I'll close them over. This beats boring old shoelaces. Wow, I did it, Mom! Thanks so much!
You did a great job.
What about me?
Oh, okay then. You can have these.
Wow, this is my lucky day. I'll put them on my shoes. This'll be easy. What do you think? Pretty awesome, huh? I look fabulous. This is my lucky day.
You're both so stylish. Now play nice.
Wait right there.
What's he doing?
Look at all these shoes. Oh, yeah.
What a beautiful day. Hi, sweeties.
Hey, Mom.
It's so warm.
Oh no, I'll be right there. Are you okay? Are you feeling the heat?
So weak.
Oh, this isn't good. What am I gonna do? I know, my hat. Put this on. It'll give you some shade.
Wow, I feel better already. Thanks, Mom.
I feel awful. Phew, that's more like it.
Oh no, not again. Put the hat in the middle. This isn't working. Come on, think.
Where's she going?
Maybe the heat is getting to her.
Check out this tent.
Aha! I get it!
Wait, not so fast. I need to put some sand inside. This won't take long. You need a beach. That's it. Come on.
Let's go!
Wait for me!
Wow, amazing! is just what we need.
Now you stay nice and cool.
This is perfect. It doesn't get better than this. There's lots of sand. I wonder what it tastes like.
Oh, no you don't!
It's very tasty.
I wonder… Yeah, this'll work. I'll put the biscuits in a bag. Then I'll crush them. I need to make a crumb. This feels good. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'll put them into a bucket. It looks like sand. Brian, look at this.
Whoa, is that for me? Annie, check this out. I'm gonna try it. Wow, delicious.
It's so yummy. So this is what
It's a watermelon! I hope you're hungry.
Wow, what a trick! Let's eat it.
Sounds good to me. I better slice it.
No! Mom!
Is everything okay?
I want a drink.
Oh, give me the watermelon.
Okay, here you go.
I know what to do. I have the perfect hack. It won't take long. I'll need a black pen. I'll draw a square on the watermelon. Then I'll cut it out. I'll put a whisk into the watermelon. Now I'll whiz it up. The flesh will turn into juice. That should do it. Next I'll cut a cup in half. I'll place it in the watermelon. It'll act like a spout. It's ready, Annie.
Whoa, look at that! There's so much juice! It looks so good! I can't wait to try it! Oh yeah, that's the good stuff!
Wait, I know. I want orange juice.
Seriously? Ugh. Being a parent is tough. Luckily, we're here to help out. What hacks do your parents use? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.
I need food!
Here you go, sweetie.
Wow, yummy!
Don't start yet. 1 sec.
What? Hurry up then! Oh, this taco looks awesome!
Okay, now you can… Huh?
So good! Oh. Oops. Sorry.
See? That's why I got this. Let's set it up, then pop the shell on. Try the taco now.
Gladly.
Everything you drop becomes filling for the next one. Give it a go.
Whoa! Infinite tacos? Yes, please!
Oh, one more shell. Here we go.
I'm so thirsty! Woo! Finally opened! Come here!
You good, hun? Oh my gosh!
Tasty!
Okay, let's switch to a mug. Here you go.
Thanks, Daddy! Achoo! Whoa, that was loud!
Oh, jeez, careful! Uh-oh, major spill!
Oh yeah, that was delish!
What now? Oh, got it. Let's order something. Right, sweetie? Oh, that was fast. Let's see. This'll help. Let's test it on your soda. First, pop in the straw like this. This special lid makes it way easier to drink. Try it.
Whoa, thanks! Yum! Now to close the lid. Oops! Sorry!
No worries, sweetie. This lid's spill-proof, see? Here you go.
So cool! More soda for me!
Time for a book. Huh? What's this?
Hi! Wanna play?
Sure, let's go.
I'm ready!
Sorry, sweetie, don't cry. Watch what Daddy can do.
Whoa! That's awesome!
Wanna keep going? Watch the ball.
too far.
Oops, this game's harder than I thought.
I've got a special thing. Look!
Huh, how does it work?
We need a door.
Alright, let's go.
First, open the door.
Then set this up like so. Done!
Let's play!
Ow! Time out!
Oops, sorry. I love my dino.
Time to eat, hon.
Huh? What's that?
Healthy stuff for you.
I'm not hungry.
Come on, just bite.
Nope, you eat it.
Oh, I've got a plan. All aboard! Food plane incoming! Open wide!
Send the plane back.
Oh, I need backup. Agent on duty! Need help feeding her. The girl likes dinos. I got this. Here. Try using this. Oh, this looks awesome. Sweetie, there's a hungry dino. Wanna feed him?
Wow. Okay, I'll try. He likes it. I want some too.
Great job, hon. Bon appetit. Ouch! What was that? Ow! Whoa! Whoa, what's going on in here?
Lego rain!
Oh, no you don't. You've got to clean up all this mess.
What? I don't wanna. I'm playing.
But, sweetie… I've got an idea.
More rain! Whoa, what's that? What are you doing?
Playing the cleanup game.
Can I play too?
Nope, only for tidy kids.
Please, I'll be super tidy.
Alright. Go, fill the bin.
I'm on it. I've got tons here.
Awesome. Now let's send the bin to the truck. Your turn.
Careful, loading the truck.
Nice work. Sorting time. Blue pieces go here.
Found some. And green. And gray ones too.
Perfect. All sorted right.
Just one more piece. That was fun. Room. I'm building the tallest tower ever. Whoa, is that Hubba Bubba? Let's try a bubble. The more gum, the better. Gotta add more. I want a huge bubble. There we go. Now let's blow it up. Ooh, why is gum so sticky? Get out of my hair. It's still stuck. Uh-oh. What happened to my bangs? This strand's way longer.
Hi, sweetie. What happened?
My haircut went wrong.
Don't worry, it'll grow back. Huh?
Oh, a call from Mom.
No, don't answer. Give me that. She can't see this. Huh? Hi there! Need a haircut fast? Check out this awesome tool. Just clip it onto your hair like this and snip away. Boom! Instant style! Wow! Want one? Yes! I'll pack one just for you. Catch! Thanks! One sec, sweetie. Let's see what this thing can do. Ready to try it, sweetie?
Okay.
First, clip it on like this. Then snip nice and neat. Perfect!
Wow! How do I look?
Awesome! Oh, now you can call Mom. Here.
Okay. Hi, Mom!
Hi, sweetie. Oh, you look amazing.
Phew, that was close. Huh? Time to pay. I've got nothing right now. Sorry. What? Hey, not fair! Bye-bye! What a day. Hi, honey. Like her haircut?